Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Lunarly. Do you want to see what this is about and what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I got my Lunarly box. This one's a little bit smaller than last month. Last month we got a plant inside, and I asked you guys what should I name her, and most of you guys said Luna, and that is exactly what I named her. She is still doing great. A month later, I haven't done anything wrong to her. She's doing great, and her name is Luna. So thank you guys so much for helping me choose the name for her. I really appreciate that, and I love that name. So let's go ahead and dive in this month's box and see, either we have a really small plant or this moon we have a candle. So let's see. Now Lunarly I did bring on last month, and so this should be for July, but they go with the moon. So the moon must be coming up pretty quick because they do deliver a few days prior. It is $40 a month with free shipping, or if you do 3 months, it is $110. You get $10 off. And yeah, so some months you'll have, like I said, you'll have a candle or you'll have a plant. So yep, this month inside here is a candle. So let's go ahead and get that out. It smells good. I smell through the package. Oh yes. Oh yes, you smell amazing. And oh, the packaging is so pretty. It says Lunarly, and it has little stars and everything on there. That is so pretty. Oh, there's some oil from the oil. I see that there's one spot right there, like from the oils coming out of the candle, but that is no big deal. A little wipe will do it, and you're good to go. That is, oh, it smells so good. Oh my gosh. And if you guys follow me, you know I love candles, especially good smelling ones, and that one does smell really good. So let's go ahead and get in here so we can see what this month is about. And then right on top, they do have the card for the moon. And I think that's really cute that they put them on cards. These kind of remind me of like tarot cards or oracle cards. And so the buck moon is July 2nd. So that's why we have it already, because July 2nd is the next moon. And it says the buck moon's name comes from this being the season when male deer sprout their fuzzy new antlers. Use this moon as a time to embrace your own changes. If there's a new direction you'd like to take or a fresh start you would like to forego, lean into it. Allow those sprouts of change to grow into something spectacular. An intention to inspire. I am ready to let go of the old and bring on the new. I welcome positive change. So that's awesome. And again, there is the back of the card. That is so cute. And I like that we can save these every month and we know about the moons as well. So let's go ahead and dive on in here. Here is the card that they give you. And so on this side, it says Summer Spice Buck Moon Candle. Ginger, and that's for luck, sensuality, courage. Coriander for passion and health, and grapefruit for faith and beauty. This warm tropical blend is the perfect scent for summer. Let its aroma awaken your passion and fill your lungs with the courage to purpose every ambition. Light this candle to remind yourself that this is your time in the sun. Go out and seek the vibrant possibilities that awaits. And then this side, it goes over the items that are in here, and it kind of tells you what to do with them, or what you could do with them, or why they put them in there, or something like that. So the buck moon, there's restore, keep, and care, and they're done in 3 different tiers. Okay, so under the top tier, it says restore. Amanzanite and jasper gemstone mala beads. Ooh. Description: mala beads are designed to aid meditation. Crystal mala beads hold a special energy that will facilitate calming reflection. Jasper is thought to bring balance. Amazonite is believed to help emotional healing. Instructions: a traditional Buddhist practice. For every bead on the mala, you repeat a positive phase or intention. This brings your focus to the act of repetition and helps cleanse the mind. So let's find, ooh, right here. So Here we go. Take that off. Little tassel. These are heavy. These look just like the ones that I got in another box, actually, that came with the matching bracelet. Yeah, these look, but they're a different color, but this is the same style. So that's really cool because now I have two. One in like the pinks and grays, and now one in like the blues and grays, which, you know, blues are my favorite color. So I love that. So there we go. There's that. And now I know what to do with it because the other one I don't think read it, or I didn't figure out what it was yet. So now I know what to do with them. That is really cool. I like that. And I like that it's like the same exact one in just different colors. So that's awesome. All right, you guys, let's go ahead and keep on going. The next tier is Keep. It says blue apatite stone. I'm not quite sure. Description: blue apatite or apatite is a crystal that doesn't let you settle. So the motivating energy of this stone keeps you hungry for positive self-growth. The focus and drive is said to foster to help you manifest your best intentions. Instructions: hold your blue stone, as you visualize your goals. Carry it with you in your purse or your pocket as a reminder of the ambitions you're pursuing. So there is the actual stone. That's very pretty. That is very pretty. I like that. So there is our stone. Now, next we have, the last tier is under Care, and it says Holler and Glow Glitter Peel Off Mask and Lunarly Petal Mist. Description: Holler and Glow Mask, right here. Add a little sparkle to your skincare routine. This fun facial mask is designed to tighten the skin and remove impurities. Use it to bring a glittery glow to your skin and mood. So there is that. Now it says the Lunarly Petal Mist, which this is the last item in here, you guys, is right here. This is hydrate, 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 hydrate. We know we should, but often don't give our bodies the hydration they need. This Lunarly facial mist feels so good, you'll never want to skip a spritz. Give your skin its due. How cute. Moisturizing spray, essential minerals, 2 ounce. So instructions: Holler and Glow Mask, cleanse your face, and then use your fingers to apply a thin layer of the mask. Wait 20 minutes or until completely dry, and then gently peel it off. This mist, whenever your face is feeling a bit dry, close your eyes and spray the moisturizing mist directly on your skin. So there you have it. Suggested use: mist directly onto the face and neck with your eyes closed. This hydrating facial spray can be used before or after moisturizing, or as a fresh boost of hydration during the day. If product gets into your eyes, rinse well with water. Mist onto face, neck, or hair as needed for external use only. And hair. Let's see. And I open my eyes, half mist. Like, what was that? But it is a very, very light mist. Like, I barely felt anything. Like, it's a very, very light mist. It feels nice though, now that I sprayed another little dabble, do ya? It feels really nice. I do like that. So we have a little facial mist that you can spray anytime you would like. You have the facial mask to get your skin all nice and glowy, and it's supposed to have a little bit of glitter in it, so that's fun. We have this amazing smelling candle. Oh my goodness, we have these gorgeous mala beads. Like, this is gorgeous. I really, really love this, and look, it matches what I'm wearing. And then we have this for the stone. So that is everything that came in this month's Lunarly. Again, this is for the Buck Moon for July, and I actually really do like this. I will have the link to their website down below if you would like to check them out for yourself. And yeah, I love this, and I cannot wait to burn this candle And that is just gorgeous. I love the way that it looks. It's gonna look so nice and classy, even sitting waiting to be used. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. Oh my goodness, okay. So that is everything that I have for you for this particular moon, you guys. Go ahead and comment down below. Let me know, were you interested in this box? What did you think of this box? Do you get this box? Have you heard of this box? Give me all the details down below. If you're not already, I would greatly appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button and watch my future videos. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.